Okay, hopefully this starts up correctly this time. All right, welcome back, everyone, to another stream. Yeah, this is just going to be another session of me messing around with graphics and trying to get to a point where I'm satisfied with this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's think. So I want to work on, okay, so I have a few things I need to work on. Options for each of these, and what happens when you hit this effects button. I need to think about that. And I kind of just put something, or started something. It's not really together. Yeah, I need to start figuring out how I want this to look. So I probably should have. How should this look? Yeah, so Photoshop has a window kind of like this. This is too much, I think, for me to implement. But yeah, they have, I guess, options for things to add on the left, and then details for it on the right. Do I want to do something like that? I don't think I'm gonna add that much stuff. Like, yeah, like pattern overlay, glow, drop shadow. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to have any of this stuff. I do want my own stroke, though. So maybe I could do, because I know in Windows they have like a grouping thing where they do something kind of like, well, like this. Okay, that blue value right there. Okay. And I don't know if I want to have it look like this. Actually, come to think of it, that's what Photoshop does. I just realized, yeah, they have this grouping. Although their header is in bold, which I should probably emulate. Maybe not. Yeah, I think the main effects I want are just like, shit, I don't know. This might be tricky. How do I want this to look? Huh. Should I add another box down here? Perhaps I should think about what my requirements are. Because yes, I want to have this. Yeah, what was that? That flow that I said. Oh, God, freaking gotta zoom out for this. Yeah, you have your base image, and then I guess I could do it this way. Base image. Okay, base image. Yeah, then it was it black and white, or I think it was like an overlay of dither. Then I think it was black and white. Yeah, the base image, dither overlay, black and white. Was it posterize? And then color ramp? Something like that. Essentially, yeah, I would like that pipeline just built into this automatically. The question is how do you represent this in a nice manner? That is the question. That is the question. Gotta think. What the hell do I want this to look like? Wondering if I should have preview images on each of these small preview images, maybe. Maybe you could click them and it blows up. God, this is so much work. Oh man. But I really want this. I gotta focus on. Well, yeah, I want to know what the final product's gonna be, but I also want to know perhaps what I could get away with for like MVP stuff. I gotta have this, but I don't have to have like fancy things like clicking on images and previewing them. That's unnecessary. Gosh, I gotta think how I want this data to be represented. I think I should just start messing around with it. Do I want it this large? It's freaking massive. God. Oh, I just don't know. I don't know what I want this to look like. Change this again. Should these be different tabs? Nah, I don't want to tab things away. Ideally, I'd want it just all right here, less button clicks. Oh God, gotta think how I want this to look. I just don't know. Oh, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Huh. What would a preview image look like here? Okay. Okay. Shoot, I need to go in closer. I think spacing, if I do include this, spacing should just be based off of this distance. Yeah, each of these has its own kind of controls. Maybe I want something like each of these is kind of their own group. Maybe I want something where it's kind of like this. Where is C code? Yeah, that's well, it'll be here. Yeah. Yeah, I just titled this because this is the classification of the app that I'm working on. I do have a very minimal Win32 C application that I'm working on. But for Win32 stuff, like, I prefer to first design the thing I'm working on in Paint first before I actually work on the code. So I'm just kind of brainstorming right now. Yeah, it's not like Visual Studio where you can just drag and drop stuff and code is just created for you on the fly like that. But yeah. I just need to fucking get this shit done so I can continue on programming. But yeah. Do I want something like that? That's the question. Do I want to have a grouping like this? That's the question. Okay. Posterize would be like here. Okay, I think I get the idea here. Yeah, I kind of like that look a bit better. And I kind of want an arrow going between these. Need like an arrow icon. Okay. I don't know if I want to keep. Do I want to keep it like this? Freaking. How do I want this to look? That's the question. Do I want to add a shadow to this? No. Too busy. Too busy. Even this. I think this is just fine. Yeah, I think this pipeline, I think this representation of the pipeline that will be developed, I think this will work. Needs to be more polish in it though, obviously. But I think I prefer this. Okay. I want to get this distance correct. So I gotta move it there. Okay, here. Okay, and this is on the same. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Ugh. Oh, man. Okay. Okay. Here, 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 here. And I need one more. Okay. Okay. Question is, do I like this? Yeah, this looks, yeah. Kurt Cobain coding Windows XP application. This stream makes me nostalgic. Yeah, well, thank you. That's what we do here. We go back to the good old days. Yeah, I miss those days. Yeah, not many people do Win32 stuff. It's like dead, yet at the same time alive, because fucking like everything in Windows is still built off of Win32. It's wild. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I like stuff like that. I like stuff where it's like you learn it once and that's it. You're good. You're golden. It's not like, yeah, I've done like web dev professionally. and that shit's always changing, always different frameworks and stuff like that you have to learn. Although the basic stuff, the base part of HTML is roughly the same, which is nice. That stuff I love. I love learning information and having it still be useful. Yeah, I hate learning shit and then having to forget it because it's just absolutely useless. Yeah, like, I don't like old ASP.NET stuff. Literally useless. I guess it's like a stepping stone to learning core, maybe. I don't know. All right. I think I need like, I think I would want a button here. I don't know. I think this general idea looks right to me. I don't think I'm gonna touch this until I get to it. I just wanted a mental map of like how I kind of wanted this to be laid out. But yeah, I think I need to start focus on implementing some of this UI, these other UI components. Getting to, yeah, this stuff is going to be a pain in the ass, but yeah. Okay. Let's see where I am at here. I guess does this matter? Okay. All right. Let's see where I left off. Okay, make. Okay. Run. All right, I need a. All right, pencil button. All right, so this is what I have so far. And what? So I wanted to add some of this. Yeah, some of the stuff needs to change after my rework in Paint. But all right. So I think my first mission is just, yeah, I gotta adjust this stuff up here. So yeah, I wanted to add this image mode stuff, and then below it have the drawing mode stuff. And I need to fucking break apart this file too. It's getting massive. But I'll do that later. Yeah, some of this definitely needs to get cleaned. What do I want to add? Okay, so I need to change this to what position? So this is the top of the window. It needs to go down to 80, roughly speaking. I gotta be fucking precise here. Whoops. Okay. 79, 80. Just call it an even 80. Height. Do I want to change the height of the label itself? I wonder if that matters. And I'm already calculating here, so let's see what did I have for this value up here? 2. Okay. I don't know, let's just throw it at 70 and see what the fuck happens. Oh, that's right, I am running, so I cannot do that. Kill, make again. Yeah. What the heck? Where is... Oh. That's right. Yeah. Let me go back here. I have to update this in 2 places. Shoot, I think I changed this to 70. Was this 70 here? This might be kind of ugly right now. Yeah, it's not going to show because other stuff is overriding it, so everything's going to get fucking shifted down. Really, I should just wrap all these things in other constant variables, or it's an oxymoron. Other constants that represent its shift down. Yeah, I should just do that. How should I do this? I still haven't been able to compile a single C++ file on Windows. I don't know how you've made an entire development environment in Windows. Maybe I'm too spoiled using Linux. Linux is very nice, I have to admit. Yeah, for my day job, I mainly do Linux stuff. I mainly do Windows, just I feel like I have to because I've used Windows my whole life. So it's like, I don't know. I just feel weird like using Windows programs and not knowing how they work. It's just kind of like a weird thing. But for me, it's actually pretty straightforward. I use GCC as my compiler. and you can, yeah, just use that. But I don't know. Microsoft has its own special compiler as well. Some people use, or most people use Visual Studio, which is very nice, but you know, you gotta pay for that, and I don't do that. So I just use the free stuff, which in my case is GCC, which is kind of weird, right? Like you're running the GNU C compiler in a Windows machine to compile and build Windows stuff. Yeah, it's kind of odd, but is what it is. Yeah, I want to keep all these guys together. So I think I'm just going to add another constant here. So 30 is, God, because it's, what is it? Right, this guy's 30, and this guy's like 20 below him. Is that right? Like roughly 30 in this image. 30. Yeah. Let's see. Ah, damn it, where did that thing go? Oh, where did that go? Where did that go? I just, where is my, there it is. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted. There's my folder. Let's see here. How do you use GCC in Windows? I thought only Visual Studios, and I never know how you're supposed to say this. Like, is it MinGW or MingW? However you say that. Yeah, that essentially is what I use, is your latter option. Like, if you like if you go in your MinGW or MinGW folder under bin, they give you GCC, and yeah, you can use this and target Windows with it, oddly enough. But yeah. Am I in heaven? You know it. I'm coding C in Win32. It's very pure, so yeah. But let's see. Yeah, I fucking getting distracted. I need to add some kind of like relative position if I want to push this stuff down all together as a unit. What do I want to call this? Probably just dimension. I don't know. No. Yeah, not the what is dimension, right? No. No, this is not the measurement section. Mode. I guess mode section. Mode section makes sense. Mode. And really, this should be position 30. This is a position 0. Actually, let me dump that there. Define 30. I have to update this in that other location too. I keep forgetting that. It's 2 places you have to update this. So this should be 20 then. These button names are shit. So much I need to update. So 40. Okay. I should say drawing mode. Okay. Okay. Save. And I need to find that other location where this was being set. So somewhere in here. Actually, this looks... I need to copy this. Both these things. Actually, all these things. Okay. Okay, so here needs to be updated. Needs to be updated to this drawing section thing instead of 30. And then this one was yeah, 20. And then this one was, I think this was 40. Okay. So functionally, this should be the same. Make paint. Yeah, so that's right. Okay. All right, so I should be able to move this around as a unit. I need to do the same thing with the measurement stuff, and same with the brush controls that I'm going to implement. That all needs to be changed. I should rename these right now before I get too far in this. This needs to change to radio button. Normal. Draw. Am I wearing sunglasses because the editor doesn't have dark mode? Yeah. No, it's because I got a lot of light in my face. But yeah, the monitor definitely contributes to that. I've got a fucking shit ton of monitors. But yeah. Definitely. Yeah, it's like my theme on my Windows is all pretty bright themed. So, I mean, hell, the app I'm developing is going to be pretty bright. Yeah, dark mode is a stretch goal. What do I want to call this fucking thing? I'm thinking radio button. Normal. It's got to be drawing something. Draw normal. I think that works. And this one I want to change to draw perfect. Fucking not find backward, place all. All right, let's see. Where? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this checkbox had to be in a different fucking group. So I think I should move this shit down out of the way just for now. So if I change that value from 30 to I don't know, something larger. Oh my god, frick it, I keep pressing that. Stupid. I did not mean to do that. 200? Does that move it out of the way? Is that far enough down? Let's see. Nope, needs to be more. 300. Okay, I should probably move yeah, the little line divider thing with it. That should probably be part of the group, I'd imagine. Yeah. Yeah, I think I should do that. Yeah, let's just do that. Do. Oh yeah, it's not here. Is it here? It should be here. No, I think it's down here. There's my vertical slider. Okay. All right, which is which? Okay, padding. Okay. 28. Just 115. So it's this one. So I got to rename this. Actually, let me add this to this first. And I got to subtract, what was it, 30 from it? I think it was 30. Was it 30? I already forgot. I can't remember if it was 40 or 30. I don't know. I guess I'll do what should I do? I guess I'll do that for now. All right, let's see. See if that brings it with it. Which it should. Although that's way too much. Oh, that's right, because this was below this thing I had here. And I fucking forget what the height of this thing is. It's like 20 or something. Let me just see what that does. Yeah, that looks right. What did I put in my painting? What is it here? Like 60. Oh, and I have 65 here. So let's just change this to 60 then. Yeah, because the idea is, yeah, I want to match this look. Okay. Okay. Oh, fuck, that's right, I can't frickin' compile when I'm running. Is that like the same distance? Am I missing something here? Let me double check this. This looks right. This is a little bit lower. It's like by 2. Same with this. And with this. Okay. So maybe I should just add 2? Ugh, I keep fucking misclicking on this. All right, what we got? All right, that looks right. Okay. So now I gotta make this change. 62. Actually, fucking just get me down there. 62. And I really should. I think I should just move this guy up with his brethren. Though it doesn't really matter. Okay. Right. I should call this a better name instead of just generic crap I was messing around with, since I'm actually gonna commit this. Separator. Draw mode. Okay. Okay. Oh shit, it's fucking 9:20 already. Where I'm at. Well, I guess yeah, I got to call it quits for tonight. Got other stuff I need to attend to. Yeah, I guess I'll pick up tomorrow night, just continuing to implement this, shifting buttons around and adding buttons and doing more classical Windows GUI stuff, which is very tedious, but rewarding. It's cool to mess around with it, and it's nice when you get stuff, when you get it working. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how far I get on this thing before I get bored. But yeah, I know this is just something I've really wanted to make for a really long time. I definitely want to make my own paint program that's very similar, well, somewhat similar to MS Paint, but just like with added features that I would find useful. So I guess with that, I'll see you guys in the next stream. Take care.